picking one of those books up. I'll just link them in the description or the show notes. If anybody's interested in those.
Unfortunately, I just put away all my books because I'm in the process of moving all my books to my office at the new Laundromat. So otherwise, I would have just read down the books. But there's The One Thing by Gary Keller.
I love that.
There's the Go Getter. Is it the Go Getter?
The Go Getter.
I don't know. Even if you're in trouble at the moment, go the Dave Ramsey route. Get yourself out of debt. There's so many things, and it depends where you are in your life that which book you need that will resonate the most with you.
Huge. And like you're saying, I think that self-education aspect of it is so key, and there's a lot to learn about. And I tell this to my kids all the time, right? I kind of use a little reverse psychology on them. They're trying to keep them engaged in reading, and sometimes it could be like pulling teeth with them, but I tell them, hey, look, I don't want you to get too good at reading, because as soon as you're really good at reading, you can learn about anything in the world that you want to learn about, right? I tell them this, they get all excited. I'm like, you want to learn about rockets? You can read about rockets, whatever, but it's true. I like really believe that, like, you can learn about anything that you want to learn about. So whether that's, economics, whether that's building a business, whether that's, some hobby or craft, you should be learning, you should be growing, to, like you said, you're either growing, living, or dying. And
yeah, exactly.
So huge. Awesome. I'll link to all those books that you mentioned. There's a ton more. Have you ever read 4 Disciplines of Execution?
No.
It's a good one. I would definitely recommend that one. I would probably read that one at least once a year. Super good.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Super good.